Hello, my name is Tom Psillas. I'm the CEO of wetcrow.com. The topic of this video is don't waste your money on bad lead generation. Stop using these sites to post your services. I mean, I probably mentioned this on other videos, and I'm going to mention it again. I hate when I see handymen suffering. You work hard for your money. I hate to see you lose money, waste your money. And I want to tell you, one of the first things not to do, don't buy leads. There's a lot of bad, there's almost like, it's like a mafia already out there. Angie lists, you think they're nice guys. Well, they're not so nice as you think. Think about it. You go to their site, they may even show appointments on there, but all you got to do is put your information in there to request a quote. Guess what's going to happen? If you're a customer, you're going to get screwed. You're going to put your information in. You're going to have, within the next 3 weeks or so, you're going to have like 40 people calling you because that's how many times they sell the lead. Okay, I know for a fact that they're doing that. They say, oh, we only sell up to 5 leads. Bullshit. Yeah, that means on their site. If you go through Angie's List, they're going to sell it 5 times on Angie's List. They're going to sell it 5 times on Home Advisor. They're going to sell it 5 times on, they have Craft Jack, and they have a bunch of other sites that they own. That's what they do. That's their business. That's what they tell people. And they switch it around. Yeah, they're not being dishonest by saying that because they're only going to put 5 on the Angie's List, right? That's all a crock of crap, okay? So stay away from those companies. Look and see who owns them. Look at before you put your information in as a customer, look at the bottom of the screen, see where the little fine print. They're telling you that they can sell the leads to anybody, and they're doing just that. They're making $2,000 off of your butt as a customer. Now you, as a service provider, are getting even the bigger screw job because what's happening is they're selling the leads to 20 people. Guess what? You buy a lead, it's already probably a week old because it takes them a while to get between all the companies. I don't know how they do it, but my understanding is from what I've seen and from the leads that people have gotten, they're already a week old on average. So as a handyman, you're already screwed from the get-go. Somebody's already bought somewhere else. They're not going to wait for you. You're going to wait for them to call you. You're going to get 40 calls if you're a customer. So, and the customer is going to get pissed off at you. They say, stop calling me. Well, they don't know that. They think you're from Angie's List. They don't know it's you, the handyman. I'm the poor sucker. I just paid $50 to get your name. So please, I just want to, give me a chance to call you. Bullshit. They hang up on you. Okay, I've been through that. So that's a bad way to do it. So one of the things I'm going to tell you, stop posting on those sites. Obviously, don't post on Facebook groups. That's going to be a waste of your time. The people that go there are guys like me looking for handymen to recruit, and most of the time I don't recruit too many of them. There's only like maybe out of 100, I only recruited 100. I recruited like 4 or 5 companies out of 100 because these were good companies. They just happened to post there because somebody else posted there that didn't know what they're doing, and that's how they got on there. As if she was advertising for them. That was a waste of time. Okay. So don't post there. Don't post on Craigslist. You're going to be thought of as a scammer. I think I've mentioned in other videos. You can watch them. Mostly the people that lose their license go there and post. So don't waste your time, please. I mean, so you're going to pay $25 now to post in most areas. It's not worth it. You're wasting your time. And some people will post 5, 10. You look like a spammer. So I don't even look at those. If I see the same number again, I go and I search it and I delete them. I block them out and I report them. And a lot of them get blocked. I mean, it's not worth it. Why waste your money? Why waste your time? Be a little smarter when you're advertising. If you want to advertise, get door hangers, put them out on 300 homes in your area. If somebody spends $1,000 with you, buy them a freaking pizza for Carl, like I mentioned earlier, and you'll make a lot more money from the word of mouth. That's your best source of customers, word of mouth. I promise you that. Okay? Have a good day. Have a good evening, folks. Thank you again.